have strong beliefs on the use of ethical AI for game development. It's also another discussion topic that we may open at any moment in time. I'm happy to talk about it. But I think it's more, how do we use this technology for helping ourselves, as opposed to what this is going to do to the game development process more in general. Maybe to be a bit more concrete, I think, for instance, that the problem is not that we're going to replace like artists in the game development process with AI. That's most likely not going to happen, just because people play games because of the art that is in there. It's one of the main reasons. But I think we need to find ways so that the artists that are going to participate in the making of AI, maybe, for instance, creating the data for fine tuning, those artists need to be part of the conversation, and need to be involved in also gains from the games and all of that, right? It's not about stealing their work, it's about empowering them. I'm going on a tangent here, I know, but yeah, sorry.
I
That's a
think
good
I think
tangent.
it's an interesting tangent because it's a big chunk of the industry has strong feelings on the matter.
Yeah.
And one of the things I keep thinking is there's the concern of like fairness and copyright as the data going into the models. But then there's also the aspect of how does the art workflow looks like in the age of AI. Because I agree with you that it's not going to replace. I find it very unlikely to replace. It's just going to be like, just like we are probably better programmers because of the help that we get from AI, they'll be better artists because of the help they get from AI. But to mirror the question that Aaron posed, I wonder if they have to get acquainted, if the tools are going to morph so much in the art world as well, so that they have to also get acquainted. And like one version of this is to say, there's this company Mythica where a lot of their efforts is on creating AI slash procedural, how to say, pipelines for art in games. And they're all technical artists with some ML background, right? That feels a little bit like the future of how tech art might look like in the next few years, rather than just being shelved into.
So I would say we can talk about how we think that the market is going to look like for artists, etc. I would say I honestly don't know, but let's put it this way. I think also because there's like pending legal aspects there, right? But on the other hand, I think we all know what is right. So I think ethics precedes law, right?